Help me help.
Hey yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys feel me bro? आज का मौसम है बहुत ठंडा है, गर्म भी है और गाम भी है। तो ये गाम को हम छुपा दिया है और ये है अपना है अचो वांगडा है। अब क्या कर रहा है? अब
जुमा कर रहा है बाबा।
जुमा खा रहा है और वो है अपना शैडो है। हम शैडो से हाय बोल रहा है सबको हाय।
धूप है तो छाया है रे बाबा, है ना। पानी है तो बादल है रे बाबा। मौसम क्या है? हम तो है ही है।
मौसम के बारे में सोचिए। देखो ये है अपना
ये जुमा है, जुमा है, बेस्ट जुमा है। बहुत मीठा है, बहुत अच्छा है। तो बाबा ये खाने से ना आपका पाप धुल जाएगा रे बाबा। ये मासू का नहीं खाने का।
Alright, Chogo, so where are we going, man?
We're going to congratulate Ishlander for being the first YouTuber in Bhutan getting a silver plate, man. A fucking silver plate, man.
It's crazy, bro. Let's go. On. So GM6 choice. उधर है, उधर नहीं, बाहर में नहीं, उधर है, उधर है। क्या हो रहा है? Look at this bro. Racing show. What? Let's go to. Yeah, it's okay. Vlog na to vlog.
100k, yeah.
100k bro. Silver flavor, not a joke mo. Big deal में Andy.
Unboxing play jo.
Right on the right. Udah ni. Hah?
Aku gak ada
Atau kayak kamu? Belum.
ya. Cik jancho.
So people. Asa ha.
Just pay me that.
So Trisha, how do you feel receiving the silver play button? Awesome, bro. So yeah, this is the first ever YouTube play button that has ever reached Bhutan, man. Bhutan, so yeah, big deal. It's a big deal, man. Yeah, next level, bro.
What's up? Big shout out to Ishlander Films for getting this silver plate. It's the first Bhutanese YouTube maker to get this silver plate, man. 100k subscribers. Looking forward for more achievements, and it's a big win for all of us. Let's go. First Bhutanese YouTuber to get a silver plate, man.
Yeah.
Big deal. Big deal.
Congrats, Atta.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. So yeah, we'll be going to Trisha's place and we'll be unboxing the silver play button. Let's go, bro. Isya.
Hold on to size na jumya thilu.
Nanzige ani play button do na nanzige ani di jamchi. Andi lavi.
Wow, up through ka gold gun dani ata. Hai the YouTube video ko jong dal di ya lasso kar che live set.
Gila ni ata. Wo gila da orang gila show.
Ni the diamond bu ngombarang mo ze mo na ka.
Mangi wa. Ulsush mangi.
Chola.
Ulsuma feed masla. So yeah, we are here at Timber City beaches.
Da to the fresh na chi vlog zong ba tamam up to 3 hours razdi. This is
Ramizi, dari amchi Ramizi, dari Razimi tu, dari Razini mi usta, dari Razi wachin. Kiski ume, acho.
Pulling up like I'm giving drugs out, nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up, nah, stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs out, nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey.
And mo ani isil Hindu simema, park sunam da wach. Yalam ma asim. Kade feel benim.
We'll soon reach there.
Yeah, asim. Hopefully one day. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified. Yeah, all know the drill, bros. So yes. History in the making. Mo, what we are doing is
We are opening Bhutan's first silver button.
yes. ये है प्ले बटन है, इसको हम लेके जाएगा है, ठीक है? So yeah, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified. Y'all know the drill, bro. And yeah, congratulations to Iceland Films for receiving silver play button. You know what I'm saying? You see this play button and the name over here, man? It's a big deal, bro. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, bro, because let this guy also get one of these in near future. And yeah, we'll be posting more videos. Bye bye, play button. I'll miss you. One day you're gonna be mine, and instead of Iceland Films, there's gonna be parks on them. Let's go. That is it for today. Peace out, now.